Hi friends, there is a beautiful small waterfall in the middle of the forest at Barbara, and this is actually there is a lot of serenity. There is hardly anyone here, and Barbara is full of such kind of small streams, small waterfalls in the entire area of Barbara. So this is one of them. I am truly enjoying. Hi friends, I'm near a thick teak tree, which is also called sagwan tree in the local language. And this forest is Barbara. So there's a beautiful legend behind Barbara forest. Why it is called Barbara forest? There was a British lady called Barbara, and in the 19th century, she and her husband had come inside the forest for hunting, and unfortunately, the lady Barbara was killed by a tiger, and under the grief, her husband named it Barbara forest. So this is the legend behind why it is called Barbara forest. So this is it's a thick teak tree, sagwan tree, and these trees were introduced by the British. They are not native to this part of India. Hi friends, you can listen to the noise of the forest. So many birds, so many insects, reptiles. This is also a major elephant corridor. And once upon a time there used to be Royal Bengal tigers which lived here. So I am in the Barbara forest, which is considered as the largest teak forest in the whole of Asia. And it is also a artificial forest. The teak plantation was done by the British in 19th century, and you can see rows of teak trees once we get into the core area of the forest. So this is a virgin forest, and it is pristine and it is evergreen. And let me take you around the forest now. But you can hear the chirping of the birds, insects, reptiles. It is also the monsoon season, though it is not raining now. It's the monsoon season. You can see the rich foliage, thick forest all around. Hi friends, I am at the core area of Barbara forest. You can see rows of saguan teak trees which were planted by the Britishers in the 19th century, and this is an artificial forest, and this is supposed to be the largest teak forest in the whole of Asia. And this forest is infested by elephants, and once upon a time there were also Royal Bengal tigers which are not there, and you have gore, Indian gore, and snakes, Malabar squirrel or flying squirrel, and lot of varieties of a diverse range of resident birds, and it is a very serene forest. Hi friends, it's going to rain now. I'm in a village called Jiripada, which is on the buffer area of Barbara forest. This is a beautiful small hamlet actually, not a village. ଝିଅ ଆସ ଆସ ଏଠି ଆସ ନାଇଁ ଆସନ୍ତୁ 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 ଏଠି ନାଇଁ କିଛି ବସ ଖାଲି ଖାଲି ବସ 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 ଆସ 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 ଟିଭିରେ ଆସିବ ଏପଟେ ଆସ ଏପଟେ ଆସ ଏ ଗାଁଟା ନାଁ କ'ଣ ଆଉ ତମ ନାଁଟା ଜିତେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଜାନି ତମେ ସବୁ କୋଉ ଜାତିର हिंदू चे कौन माने सबरो ना जानी माने माने कंधर अच्छा अच्छा फ्रेंड्स आई एम इन ए विलेज व्हिच इज एट द ऑन द आउटस्कर्ट ऑफ Barbara forest. It is actually in the buffer area of Barbara forest, and this village is called Jirpada, and here there is a branch of Kond they live, and he is Jitendra Jani. He is one of the residents here, and I am going to ask some question about the local life here. केते दिन लाइन आपण एट रहिछन सो दे बीन लिविंग हियर फॉर लास्ट 15 years हियर एंड तो गाँ रे कोन हाथी का आसंती ओके सो दिस विलेज दिस एंटायर एरिया इज इन्फेस्टेड बाय एलिफेंट्स सो दैट इज व्हाट दे से एलिफेंट्स क्रिएट लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर देम you know, and this is a big issue in Odisha. Wherever you go, you know, in the forested area of Odisha, you hear the human animal conflicts, human elephant conflicts. That's a very, you know, it's a very common thing in Odisha. How कौन problem अच्छी ना रहे?
Problem कौन तो हाथी का बहुत मात्रा
Okay.
आपरे जाएगी दूर से फसल करके नहीं बेचता उधर रे.
Okay.
तो गाँव अंदर भी अब संजी के लोग ना आंगे. जी के भी सब जाएगी मिलेगा.
Okay, so these people are farmers now. They don't depend on forest. Of course, they depend on the forest resources, but they are not hunter-gatherers. They are farmers, subsistence farmers. They do also kitchen farming, and whatever they grow, they sell in the market, nearby markets. And you know, the whole area. That's what they say, that elephants are the major problems here. They create lot of nuisance. They, you know, they damage the harvested crops here. Become little breezy. It's going to rain after some time, and I'm in the kitchen garden. You know, the family to whom we met just now, they grow here brinjals and other vegetables. Now you can see the brinjal they have planted, and behind me is the mountain of Barbara and dense forest. So this is a major elephant corridor, as we just discussed. You know, elephants create a lot of nuisance. So they come in large hordes. Sometimes in 40-50 numbers, and destroy the agricultural fields and whatever crops they have grown. So rice is, we have hardly seen rice growing, people growing rice, but vegetables are grown here. And then you have papayas, you have coconut. So this is what is the village here. अरे चलो चलो तो पानी आप बहु आप कहला रोमांटिक हिरो आप
हेलो एवरीबॉडी आम बर्तमान आसी पहुँचु गोटे छोट जलप्रपात जोटा कि आम एंट्री पॉइंट टू बरगरा फॉरेस्ट कहते डुडुआ वाटरफॉल बोली गोटे छुटिया जलप्रपात सुंदर पानी पड़ूनी बहुत गोटे सुंदर जगह जो मैंने बरगरा बुलिया भी आसान गोटे आडाज आट्राक्शन थैंक यू.
Hi, so I am with Sanjay. He is one of the local residents and he belongs to the Kon tribe, and he had taken us to the nearby waterfall which we just experienced. It was amazing experience. So let me ask some questions about about Barbara forest, their life, and what kind of animals are found here, and how do they depend on the forest resources. So Sanjay babu ଟିକେ ବଡ଼ ପାଟିରେ କହିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଜନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖାନ୍ତି ଏଠି.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆମର ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ହାତୀ,
ହଁ
ତାପରେ ବିଲୁଆ,
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ବାରହା, ଝିକ, ମିରିଗ, ଶୃଗାଳ, ଏମିତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ପଶୁପକ୍ଷୀ ଅଛନ୍ତି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେମାନେ କେବେ ହଇରାଣ କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହାତୀ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ହାତୀ ଆସିକି ଆମର ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି. କାଜୁ ଦିନେ କାଜୁ ଗଛ ଉପାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି, ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି. ତାପରେ ପଣସ ଅଛି, ପଣସ ଦିନେ ଆସି ପଣସ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଉଛନ୍ତି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ତ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଏବେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ହାତୀଠୁ?
ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ହାତୀକି ପାଟି କରିକି ଗହଳି କରିକି ସବୁ ଲୋକ ମିଶିକିରି ତଢ଼ୁଛୁ.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଉ କ'ଣ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ କ'ଣ କେମିତି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତି?
ଜଙ୍ଗଲରୁ ଆମେ ଯାଇକି ମାନେ ଆମର ଯାହା ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଫଳ,
ହଁ
ଯେଉଁ କୋଳି ଗୁଡ଼ା,
କୁସୁମ କୋଳି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏମିତି ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର କୋଳି ଅଛି ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ, ସେ କୋଳିକି ଆଣୁ. ତାପରେ କାଠ ଅଛି ଆମର ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ, ଆମେ ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ରୋଷେଇ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କାଠ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରୁ ଆଣୁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ
ଆଉ କିଛି ଔଷଧୀୟ ଗଛ କିଛି?
ହଁ ଔଷଧୀୟ ଗଛ ବି ଅଶୋକ ଗଛ ଅଛି.
ଆଚ୍ଛା
ଅଶୋକ ଗଛ ବି ଔଷଧୀୟ ଗଛ. ତାପରେ ଆହୁରି କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମନେ ପଡ଼ୁନି, ତ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପ୍ରକାର ଏମିତି ଔଷଧ ଗଛ ବି ଅଛି ଆଉ.
ବହୁତ ପ୍ରକାର ଔଷଧୀୟ ଗଛ ଅଛି. କଙ୍କଡ଼ା ବି ଧରନ୍ତି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା କଙ୍କଡ଼ା ଆମେ ଧରୁଛୁ, କଙ୍କଡ଼ା
ମାନେ
ମାଛ.
ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରୁ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ମାଛ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଣନ୍ତି?
ସେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଭିତରୁ.
ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଗାଡ଼ିଆ ଅଛି ସେଠି,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଝରଣା ଅଛି ସବୁ?
ହଁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଉପରେ ଆପଣ ମାନେ ପୁରା ଟୋଟାଲି ଡିପେଣ୍ଡେଣ୍ଟ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
ଓକେ ଆଉ କ'ଣ ମାନେ ଆଗରୁ କ'ଣ ଥିଲା, ଏବେ କେମିତି ହେଇଛି ଗାଁର ଅବସ୍ଥା?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଗରୁ ଆମର ମାନେ ସୁବିଧା କିଛି ନଥିଲା, ମାନେ ରାସ୍ତାଘାଟ ବି କିଛି ନଥିଲା. ଆମ ଗାଁକୁ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ମାଡ଼ିକି ରହିଥିଲା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ଏମିତି ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ରାସ୍ତା ବି ହେଲା, ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ସଫା କଲୁ ନିଜେ ଲୋକ ଲାଗିକିରି. ତାପରେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଗାଁ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଅଛି.
So we just listened about from Sanjay about Barbara forest, the various animals they are found here, and how do they depend on the forest resources. So he explained about all about Barbara forest. So thank you so much for being with us.